So first open any web browser, go to Wine official website, that is winehq.org. Hit enter. See here the latest releases, we have the stable version is 10.0. Okay, click on download. We are going to install by using WineHQ binary packages. Scroll down. See here we have the packages for 20.04, 22.04, 24.04 and 24.10 for the Ubuntu. Okay, it also supports on Debian, Fedora, macOS. Okay, click on Ubuntu. See, these are the list of the commands that needs to be executed on Debian or Ubuntu. See here we have different commands. Okay, so we will run step by step. First section is preparation. See, if your system is 64-bit, you have to enable 32-bit architecture. So I am on Ubuntu 24.04, it is 64-bit. Okay, so we have to enable 32-bit architecture. Click on show applications, then go to terminal, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter, it is done. Okay, next, okay, make the note of your distribution name. Okay, so we can get the distribution name by running more/etc os-ls. See, distribution name is 24.04 Noble Numbet. Okay, see, Ubuntu code name Noble. Okay, so now we have to download and add the repository. So run these commands one by one. Copy this one, it is going to create directory keyrings. Then run this command to download the repository. Paste it, hit enter, it is done. Ctrl L. Now add the repository. See here we have different options. I am on Ubuntu 24.04 and its code name is Noble. If your code name is Jimmy, then you have to run this command, that is adding the sources. Okay, copy this one. One more time I will show you more/etc os-release. See, code name is Noble, that's why I am copying this one. Suppose if code name is Jimmy, you have to copy this command. Okay, so right click, copy, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Next step is update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. Okay, it is done. Now install Wine. See here we have the options: stable, development branch and staging branch. So always go with stable branch. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter, type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Wine. Now verify the version of the Wine. We have installed Wine -- version. See, we have installed Wine version 10.0. Okay, now we can download any exe file and we can execute. Now we will install the Notepad++. Go to new tab, go to Notepad++.org. Hit enter. Now click on download. See here the current version is 8.7.8. Click on download any one of these versions. Click on download the latest one. Then click on this download button. See, download started, download completed. Now go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the npp means Notepad++. So install it, Wine, then npp, give the tab to autofill entire exe file name. Hit enter, select the language, click on next, select the license agreement, then click on I agree, select the destination folder, then click on next, select the type of installation and optional components. I am going with the default, so click on next, ready to install, click on install. See, keep the checkbox, that is run Notepad++, then click on finish. See, we got the Notepad++ application and its version is 8.7.8. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Wine version 10 and then we have installed the Notepad++ application. on Ubuntu 24.04. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.